Let's unbox Insta360 Mic Pro. Here we have currently popular mic in the market. It comes with 32-bit float recording, 10 hours of battery backup, and in the box we have transmitter, button magnet, clip, windshield, carry pouch, USB-C cable, quick start guide and warranty card. It also has AI chip for noise cancellation and it comes with 3 mic array, which means 3 microphones. Now let's unbox it. Here is our beautiful circular Insta360 Luna Mic Pro. It looks quite impressive. Now let's take it out and you can see there it has clip which we can attach to our shirt, and then there is USB-C port, power button, recording button and 3 microphones. With this you can use a cardioid pattern or different pickup patterns. Then we have some documentations which we probably won't read, and also there is one Insta360 warranty card. Now in the box we have a carry pouch. It feels very premium and is of very good quality. Inside it we have USB-C cable. There is also a button magnet which is very strong. You can attach it to your Insta360 mic from inside your shirt. Then there is a wind guard. You can easily put it on your Insta360 mic and it will protect the audio from wind noise. So that's it. Now this is the application I was talking about, from which we can change the display on the mic. You can put your brand logo or name on it and it changes very quickly. So it has an e-ink display, which means particle moves only when the display changes. It uses battery only while changing the display, and otherwise it does not consume power. Let me know in the comments what is your thought about this Mic Pro. And if this video really helped you, consider subscribing because it will motivate me to make some more videos. That said, a lost motto, living young and wild and free. Bye.